everyone, it's John from Show Me Pickers, and today we're going to be doing some work around the store. I've got a lot of stuff done in the store, trying to get it ready to be opened as a pop culture shop. I bought some stuff from Walmart. I got some clearance stuff. They were marking stuff down really cheap. Cooper's here in the store with me, and he's running amok. So we're going to jump right into this video right after the intro.
Try to catch me howling at the moon.
It's still kind of super messy in here. Yeah, it looks even worse. But I will be going to an auction at the end of this month, and hopefully most of the stuff will be out. I'm going to show you guys some stuff that I did really quick. We're going to put the store update at the beginning of the video. I have cleaned out this rack over here, and I have started putting my t-shirts up here, and Luke Bryan, some stuff. They're all facing the wrong way, so I'm going to have to rehanger them because people will probably be flipping that way. So I have to rework this. I'm going to have some hanging shirts up there. I've got some of my Stone Cold Steve Austin shirts. Those are super cool. Love you, Stone Cold. You're my man crush. And this is something else that I've been working on. It took me like 4 coats of paint to get that to look really good down there, really bright white. I put some LED strips in. I've got the TV set up over here. I've got my little ET that's ready to pop off in there. I've got some Halo figures here. I picked these up at Walmart for $5 a piece, and they're super cool. I brought them in the store for $21.95. I did pick up these little piggies here. They were on sale for $1 a piece. They were originally $5, and I think I marked them at $4.95 a piece, which I think was like the, what was that, Coop? What was it? He's like, ooh, I heard something. I heard it. But that's what they were at full mark. So I can't wait to get this done. I did put the skateboards on the outside of it. I think it looks pretty good. Whew, still a big mess. Let's walk up here, and I'll show you that I've kind of got my little clip strips. I was going to buy some more of these metal clip strips. They're expensive. If you find these and you're out somewhere, yeah, pick them up because they work really good for all kinds of neat stuff, but they actually sell really, really good on eBay. So these are the Galactic Snack and Grogu figures that I picked up. I paid $30 a piece for them. I put them in the store for $70. Those are really cool. I think they'll sell pretty good. People love The Mandalorian. It's really hot right now. Got them on both sides. Just messing around with this little 4-way that I've got right here, trying to figure it out, how I can get it to work. I did put some Beast Wars up here. I paid like $5.75 a piece for these. Put them in the store for $19.95. The same way with the What If Nebula. If you're watching Disney Plus, the What If series is absolutely awesome. I'm not a big cartoon guy, but wow, it blew me away. I really loved it. And I picked up some of the Spider-Man, the Mysterio, and then there's a Green Goblin. And I've got another baby Galactic Snack and Grogu over here. Then I got some Legos. I do need to paint this because it's going to be kind of a pop culture / toy store. So the whiskey thing might not go over too well, but I've got some Legos that I picked up. Those are pretty awesome. Of course, I've started hanging some more stuff from the ceiling. I've got my plane there. I've got the Nazi German fighter plane over there. I've got the American bomber. And in the back, I have that really cool biplane. But I've started like hanging up some of the stuffed animals up there in the ladder. I think that looks pretty good. Of course, I've got the alien looking over everything. This is where I'm going to be putting in a bunch of DVDs. I've got about somewhere in the neighborhood of like 500 DVDs coming in right now, which will go pretty far into filling that up, making it look good. And I can't wait. I can't wait. I do need to finish filling out this section here. This is a big white wall, and it bothers me profusely. So once I get all this stuff out of here, I'll be able to determine what I want to do a little bit more. But let's head to the back of the store, and I'm going to show you guys some more of the toys that I picked up at Walmart on clearance. I picked up a whole bunch of these Fur Real Friends. These are pretty cool. I paid $10 a piece. They were originally $30. This is a really neat Barbie extra playset. If you watch my other video that I uploaded, it goes into way more detail. I've got some more stuff over there, and I got some little figures down there. Most of it is girl toys. But what I have to do right now is I'm gonna go to the basement and hang up these lights, because I picked these up for like 13 bucks. You stop there. You'll stop the whining. I'm gonna hang those up in the basement, and hopefully Mr. Clingy Dog here lets me get some work done, and I'm gonna hang them up so it'll brighten things up a little bit more. Okay, Cooper and I am in the basement, and it's always kind of dark, like right back in here. So kind of what I want to do is put another light somewhere in there. I don't know, I might have to run it long way on the beam, because I can't install them the same way I installed those lights down there. And I might run another one long way back here to put some light back in this area. I know it looks really bright right now, but when you're in here and you're trying to find stuff in these totes, it gets really difficult. So I'm going to take these out of the box. I'm going to install one and show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so it's a lot brighter back here. You can see all the books and stuff on the shelf now. I did kind of make it go at this weird awkward angle, because that's just all boxes back there. It really doesn't need lights. You should be fine back there. I did notice I need to cover up this plate here. I need to get me a plate to cover all the wiring up there. This really brightened it up back here. This helped out a lot. I think I'm going to get another one to go, like another pack to go, like one go right here, and then put another one right here, like maybe in between, like maybe one right here would work really good, and then maybe like one back over here, like if I put one up here, because I do have this here, which is wired in over there. And it's all, like I said, it's all LED. It's all low voltage. It is what I wanted to do, because I wanted it to be more environmentally friendly. But another light or two right in here, because it gets kind of dark, because all of this lighting kind of lights up the stuff over here, but it's pretty dark over here, if you get what I'm saying. So I think that a couple more of these little bulbs, they'll help, and they don't use hardly any electricity. That's just looks like a little lightsaber hanging up there. It's just LED. It doesn't use much at all, but you can definitely see stuff over here a lot better, and you can see stuff over here a lot better. In fact, I found some more Star Wars stuff that might end up in the upstairs to go into the store. But yeah, I bought this at Lowe's. It's a 20 volt DeWalt. Man, this thing is one of the best things that I have bought in a long time. I absolutely. Okay guys, I'm going to show you something I scored today real quick. I got this X-Men Mutant Apocalypse. It does have a little blue right there on it. I'm going to clean that up. That's going to sell for about 25 bucks, but I actually have a Super Nintendo over there, and I'm going to put that with it. I'm going to stick it out in the store. Oop, I got a case out there. I'm going to show you guys real quick where I'm going to put my video game stuff at. But I've got to lay that down there, and I'm going to get that out tomorrow and test it, make sure that it works. So I'm going to go out here and I'm going to show you a couple of really neat items that I found. One of them is just kind of goofy, but I think it looks good hanging up here. On this skateboard over here, I have this like little monster. I think he's kind of cool. I put like $8.95 on him in the store. And then over here, I did pick up another little Pokemon. I've got like $5 a piece on those two guys right there. I put my He-Man stuff right there. But over here will be my video game case. I've actually got like 4 or 5 DSs that I got to bring and put in here. But I've got that Nintendo 3DS. It's an aqua blue. I put $140 on it. I don't really know. That's about what they sell for on eBay. A little bit less, about $5-6 less. But video game stuff, like, let me know what you guys think. Do you think that pricing video game stuff the same price as eBay? Because, like, that stuff sells. Like, it's one of the few things that I will say that a lot of stuff that people buy that goes to, like, the East Coast and West Coast, stuff that we sell typically every day on eBay. But, like, video game stuff just seems to do really, really well. So, I'm going to price my video game stuff up. It's hard to get. It isn't as easy to find as it used to be. So that's pretty much what I did. I've still got a huge mess here in the store and I'm slowly cleaning stuff up, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video today. I enjoyed making these videos. If you like this style of video, let me know and I'll make more. So you guys have a good day. I'm taking Cooper home because he's driving me absolutely crazy. And yeah, you guys have a good day. God bless you guys. Keep on digging, keep on picking. And remember, the family that picks together, sticks together. God bless you guys. Say bye, Cooper. Bye. Look at him. He's just wanting to go home. Bye-bye. Let's go.